We're in the bungalow basement here, and these are metal windows, basement windows, and they have this hook in the center, which I think turns, and I think there's a latch there. I can move these ends a little bit, so I'm pretty sure it's latching in the center, and I don't see any other way of doing it. And then I think it hinges in, or maybe it doesn't hinge in, maybe it just, really not sure what it does. I guess it doesn't hinge because I don't see a hinge here. So either way, I would love to get these open so I can clean them off. But either way, I have decided I'm not replacing them. I'm going to clean them up, fill in these edges, make them much better, do something down here so it's more slanted. We got a hole here, I noticed on the other one. So I've already brushed these off. I already did some caulking. So it already is looking a lot better. And then we're going to paint them. So they should look pretty sharp. And then Amy already made curtains for them. So I looked online and everybody's replacing them, but I really don't see a need to. And yeah, it might be a little bit of heat savings, but I think it's probably not enough to warrant the difference or changing. And nothing more solid than steel, where the other ones are vinyl, so I really question the lifespan of them. I've already had issues with my other vinyl windows at our other place after 20 years. And these have been in here 60 years, and they're probably as good as they were when they were put in. Okay, so that's my 2 cents. So let's get back to filling this in, making it look better, tighter. Also, we're going around the edges here. They never sealed between the sill plate and the blocks. So we're going around and doing that, and you can see it looks so much better already as opposed to over here where didn't do that. Yeah, I did put some insulation in there, but I didn't caulk it yet. I ran out of caulking, so I need to do that tonight. And then there's other places all along the whole edge. We have to go through and seal them up. Get back at it.